right, welcome back. It is week 5 of our 90-day, 40-unit apartment flip. We are right in the middle of sheetrock, trim, paint. Big things are going on. I want to show you guys around and show you exactly how we're flipping this 40-unit apartment complex in 90 days. Let's go. This is looking good. Holy cow. Building 2 is already, this is crazy.
Yes, sir, you already sent the bill.
Looked expensive. Looked a little expensive when you look at the bill.
Yeah.
And then I started breaking it down. And I was like, $4,000 for door installs. I'm like, that's $100 a door.
That's right, yeah.
That's pretty good, right?
That's awesome, yeah.
And then what else? Remember we added additional framing? It was like $100 per apartment.
That's not bad.
So I think that's a win. Looks good. Looks really good. I love that new sheetrock smell. You guys know I love that new sheetrock smell. I gotta call Nicole because the electricians still aren't back out here.
Yeah, I talked to Savannah this morning about sheetrock delivery for the next unit. And I said, I don't know, electric.
Yeah, but you can still get it delivered.
But Sergio's gonna want to crack the whip pretty much immediately.
That's what I'm calling.
Yeah.
Are we getting the mud set too, or is he buying it?
No, that's getting delivered.
Hey, Chris, this is Trey Nixon. Is Nicole there? Okay, so we know electrical's got to be done here. This is the burn unit, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep going, keep moving. That's the burn unit. So plumbing might be done in this building. Look at this. This is what I didn't like, Zach.
Oh, the gap. Because you measured, like you said, the sheetrock. Yeah.
Like part of me says we got to insulate that.
Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna get sheetrock.
No, he had it. It slides right in there, and then nail it and screw it there. You know. I don't know. That's why I stopped him.
Yeah.
See, he's got a piece of sheetrock sitting under there, so Sergio can slide sheetrock and wrap it. I think you'll be okay. Insulation, plumbing, and electrical's done on this building. So all we need to do is rewire that one, and this one's ready for sheetrock.
Yeah.
Insulation's done? Good job, Zach.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's look at the next building down. This one is ready for sheetrock minus 117.
Right.
Wait a minute. Is there electricians here? Who's running the wire?
Yeah, I guess. He dropped off.
Ask and you shall receive, right? All of a sudden, we're looking for electricians. Next thing I know, I hear something and I look over and there's wire on the ground and there's electricians working. There's no trucks or anything. All of a sudden, there's just electricians everywhere. What a blessing.
They've been working on it. I think this one's pretty much good to go except the office.
Wow. Incredible.
Moving quick.
Are they putting these in?
I mean, we haven't. I don't know really what that.
I guess they started. Like this? Oh, they haven't been in here, electricians.
Yeah.
All right. HVAC not done in this one.
No. No, I don't think they even started on this unit.
I'm gonna text him.
Look at that gap.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness. drywall and a little extra.
I'm not worried about it because also the outside, he's gonna trim it out flush, so it's gonna be enclosed. He's gonna, put the 1x4 over the window lip.
Yeah, it should be closed on the outside and inside. Just a little gap in the middle.
All right. Look, so they're already, this one is ready for you, except this unit. The electricians are they're in that building, but they're gonna move to this unit, right? Because this was a burnout, and we gotta rewire the whole thing.
300 sheets. 300?
Oh, it's a burn.
So we're gonna rewire the building, just this unit. But all the other ones are ready for you. And look, some of the HVAC guys, they take the new insulation out. Can you try to put it in as best you can? Yeah, I know. But see that we put new insulation where we need it, but the HVAC guys took it out, didn't put it back. You're rolling, man. You're rolling.
I need some more Mexican, man.
Some more Guatemalans. Who's the best workers right now?
I use everything. Guatemala, Honduras, Salvador, Mexico.
How many guys you got working right now?
About 25.
25? You pay them every Friday?
Every Friday got a
You write checks or you cash app?
cash.
Cash?
Cash.
In an envelope?
Yep. Cash money.
That's okay.
Nice.
They don't like it. They don't like check.
Nah, of course not.
They don't like check.
I don't either.
Yeah.
How much your payroll every Friday?
Sometimes about 20,000.
20,000 every week?
Every week. And some people I pay check too.
Yeah.
Like a big subcontractor. What we do a side and too.
Yeah.
Okay. I submitted everything yesterday to the bank. I think they give me the money today, so I should be good for tomorrow. It's good, right? Big day for you. Hey, you're doing a good job though.
Thank you.
Let's keep rolling,
We're
man.
trying to do our best.
You might help me get this done on time. We might actually get it done on time. Maybe not on budget, but maybe on time.
I think we got plenty of money to pay with.
Sorry to say we got plenty money. I got 1.4 million to spend, but I gotta spend $16,000 a day to keep the project on track.
You know how to spend it. Just give it to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. If you had 20 more Mexicans, we'd have it done by now. I'd be paying you $50,000 a week.
A lot of money.
Get it done, $16,000 a day.
A lot of money.
It's good though, man. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice.